안녕하세요, 에리스키친 친구분들. Today we are making a Taco Bell Crunchwrap at home with these ingredients. So let's get started. Start by cooking your ground beef until it's nicely browned. Now add the taco seasoning. Stir it well and cook for another minute. Next, shred the Iceburg lettuce, dice the tomato, and finely chop the onion. Lay one large flour tortilla flat on your workspace. Spread some nacho cheese sauce in the center. Then put some cooked beef on it. Top the beef with some lettuce, tomato, and a bit of onion. Add a ring of sour cream. Then sprinkle on shredded cheese for extra flavor. Place a tostada shell on top, then cover it with a smaller tortilla. Fold the edges tightly, sealing everything inside. Now place your assembled wrap seam side down in a hot, dry skillet or pan. Press gently so it stays sealed. Grill until golden on one side, then flip and brown the other side until the wrap is crispy all over. Slice in half and serve with your favorite hot sauce. Enjoy! Are you looking for the perfect Christmas gift? Then treat your loved ones to our Korean Essence holiday gift set, filled with non-GMO Korean vegetable seed, a traditional homi, which is Korean hand hoe, and Korean English flashcards. Please check out our Korean Essence Etsy shop, link below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.